Hello honeycrunchers! It's October 10 and it's the start of BornPrettyStore's 8th year anniversary event. Use this code starting today to have discounts on your orders. You can use these codes until October 16, 2018. And don't forget to type my coupon code HCW10 on the comment section of your order to receive a surprise gift from BornPrettyStore. For today's video, I'll be reviewing this stamping polish from BornPrettyStore. And this is the very first stamping polish that I'll ever try. Here's the stamping polish. Now let's watch it as a nail polish. And here's one coat. Oh wow, it's very opaque and I think I'll leave it with a one coat. I'll be using this snowflakes design. Look how crisp the image turned out. Now I'll stamp it onto a black base. Now on a white base. Then apply top coat. It works perfectly as a stamping polish. You could use it onto a light or dark base. And it also works good as a nail polish. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button. Subscribe to see new videos every week. And kindly share this video to your awesome friends. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!